on my way to the Pushkar Ropeway. जी हाँ, पुष्कर के अंदर भी एक रोपवे होता है और वो रोपवे आपको लेकर जाएगा सती सावित्री देवी माँ के मंदिर डायरेक्टली। लेकिन हम लोग रोपवे पर नहीं चढ़ेंगे, हम लोग उस टेंपल तक ट्रैकिंग करके जाएंगे, क्योंकि ट्रैकिंग इज बेटर देन रोपवेज एनी डे। That mandir on top, you guys, that is exactly where we are going right now. Yes, right on. वन क्षेत्र से गुजर रहे हैं। आसपास के वन क्षेत्र में गंदगी, कचरा, प्लास्टिक की थैलियाँ, बोतल फेंकना सख्त मना है। प्लीज डोंट डू दैट गाइस, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट। I've been traveling a lot lately, but I think my stamina is gone for a toss now. एक महीने से मैं भागा नहीं हूँ, so I think these stairs are gonna cost me part of my life. This is the right side of the temple. This is the ropeway going up. It's coming from there, and this spot offers a 360-degree view of the whole city and beyond. That is Pushkar. That lake is also visible in the center of it. Those are the mountains around it near Ajmer and stuff. That is where we are going on top. That's the temple. Behind the temple is a sweet spot for the sunset and the view, you guys.
वाह यार, सीन बनाने में हमारी भी आवाज़
आ गई ना,
मेरी भी दिखा।
lot of people coming up, lot of people going down, lot of mountains around, and me enjoying. I think I'm about there. It's just there. It's just there. And here's a monkey. इस वाले को काले मुंह का बंदर बोलते हैं। ये कम शैतान होते हैं, प्यारे ज़्यादा होते हैं। लाल मुंह के बंदर जो होते हैं वो कलेशी होते हैं। So, जैसे जैसे मैं पास आता जा रहा हूँ, ये क्लाइंब और ज़्यादा स्टीप होती जा रही है। And the last step, this last stretch of the climb, almost there, so close and so far, you guys. Oh, shiz. More ropeway, more I've climbed. Oh shiz. Oh, and the view is killer. These are monkey noises. नहीं हो रहा, और यहीं सो जाऊँ, सुबह घर चले जाऊँगा। क्या करना है सनसेट का? So I finally somehow reached the top of the hill. This behind me, this is the temple. That building is what the ropeway ends up in. This is the temple, and I'm behind the temple. अभी इस temple के पीछे ये बेसिक सी पहाड़ी है. वो सनसेट है जो 1 से 1.5 घंटे के अंदर कुछ ख़त्म होगा. और let's go. Let's find a spot somewhere on the hill and try and figure out the sunset. Oh, I think this vlog is gonna be about monkeys rather than cats or doggos. I guess. I mean, बंदर भी अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं, काफ़ी nice and sweet and crazy and cute types. Oh, look at them fighting each other. Oh, bad monkey. These people are the best of bros. This one is the outcast, the one who's a rebel, the one who does things differently, the one who doesn't belong to any social rule. He just doesn't belong. These people are the herd, comprise of the herd. They belong to the rat race. These monkeys are mango monkeys. This monkey is the fighter monkey. A critique on society by Abhishek Sharma in the form of monkeys. I think this would be a good sunset spot. Should be good. Let's just और थक चुका हूँ भाइयों. Let's just sit and chill here. You all enjoy the magnificence of the beautiful sunset. Here you go. I'm gonna sit you all down यहीं पे. Let's do this. Pretty good, huh? So this is the sunset from Pushkar. I'm gonna go down now before it sets fully, क्योंकि नीचे जाने में वो जो रास्ता है ना, उसमें मेरे को थोड़ा सा खौफ होगा. कोई लाइट नहीं है, and if it is very very dark, I may fall off. I don't want to fall off or twist my ankle or something like that. So I'm gonna head down now and go and have some dinner. I'm hungry. Too much of work and thirsty also.